Thank you for being here, sir. And thank you all for watching.
Man, shout out Roger for this. Roger Ramirez, R&R Studios, man, this is live. Be straight up with y'all. This is unscripted. We're just gonna let it all hang out. This one's called Top Down, off my new album, Who Am I? I got 7 of these. Top down, getting faded for this moment. Can't tell how long I waited. They always said I'd never make it. Now all my girls, they far from basic. Come on, I got 4 lines up in the soda. Yeah, and designer shades up on my nose. They said I changed up cause now I stay lit. Just tired of going through the same shit. Top down, getting faded. Yeah, yeah. Top down, getting faded. Yeah, yeah. Let's talk about it. I was tired of going through the same shit. Same wire showing through my tires. Tags expired on the same whip. Tired of giving all that I got. Still same story with a different chick. Pockets empty, I'm approximately about to hit me the same lick. Same stash spot with the same brick. Same block, same blood, same Crips. Looking up to rappers like Tupac, feeling like I could change shit. Lifting off with that Buddha, trying to get away. Drifting off in outer space, back when all we really knew was they can't tell us what to do. We was young but we grew, now everybody hating on us. They don't know what to do, we just some rebel desperados. Living like we hit the lotto, no worries about tomorrow. Top down, getting faded for this moment. Can't tell how long I waited. Y'all feel this one? They always said I never make it. Now all my girls, they far from basic. Come on, I got 4 lines up in the soda. Yeah, and designer shades up on my nose. On my nose. Changed up cause now I stay lit. Now, just tired of going through the same shit. We came a long way from sloppy joes. Walking the hallways with sloppy clothes. But nowadays, making profits grow. My pocket's pregnant, though it's not a problem, no. Say no to my problemos. Box them like Manny Pacquiao. Standing strong like Rocky, though. Haters, they sweet as Rocky Road. Everyone claiming they my main, but they lying, no. Everyone wanna eat filet, but I don't buy it, though. Turning up my audio, junking the deuce like adios. Still pushing big body, can't fit in no audio. Still up on a mission, whoa, hold up, just got distracted. Look at this chica's body, man, I swear she do Pilates, bro. Oh, baby, what's your name? I ain't gotta know. Looking for a nut, will you be my pistachio? Hop into my dough, we bout to go to Papa Do's. With me you'll be rocking, but without me you will not be. Top down, getting faded for this moment. Can't tell how long I waited. They always said I'd never make it. Now all my girls, they far from basic. Come on, I got 4 lines up in the soda. Yeah, and designer shades up on my nose. On my nose. They said I changed up cause now I stay lit. Just tired of going through the same shit. Top down, getting faded. Yeah, yeah. Top down, getting faded. Yeah, yeah. Man, shout out R&R, man. This is live. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. Shout out Down South Nate on the cams. Shout out Kevin Hamlin, man, putting this thing together, putting this Tune Out Cancer Fest together. Making some real live moves. Hey, Roger, let's go ahead and hit that next one.
Awesome, buddy. Man, well, you sounding good, man.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, man. Sean Lewis, my boy, going hard. Sending a little shout out to you, man. So whenever you're ready for this, man.
Let's get it.
You ready for this? All right,
Yeah,
here we go, man. Marcus.
Man, I hope y'all like that one. Everybody's been waiting on that one live with no auto-tune.
All right, Marcus Money Live, guys. This is no doctoring. This is what you see is what you get. This is raw from R&R Studio.
No backtracks, nothing. Let's get it.
No backtracks, man. R&R Studio.
saying all that. You talking too much, money talk, don't talk back. I was grinding like a train on tracks. Used to go for broke, we had to change all that. Blood, sweat, and tears for years, that's big facts. The foundation, yeah, we laid all that. Stay up in your lane, never change, fall back. Got the top missing like the brains went splat. Hey, keep doing the most, we gon' do the minimal. Bleach white J's, killing them like chemicals. A crying shame, all they do is hate. Steady talking sideways, and I'm sitting identical. What? Yeah, I did it, fool, before I sold packs. Had them wrapped individual, posted like Snapchats from millennials. Watching out for ridicule through my peripherals. The green rolling sticky like Gorilla Glue. Real flow, Frenchy fresh, fucking with the illest too. Interview with the mob, who the hell are you? Real paid gang, penthouse, killer view. Way up, way up, way up. On the grind, if you selling dimes, get your Mary up. On the grind, if you selling dimes, get your Mary up. Everybody stuck in the cell, commissary up. Yeah, independent women, get the bag, get it stuck. Say she coming over just to pop my cherry up. So there we were, sipping cherry tusk. Got a toast, throwing gang signs, so hilarious. In the club, everybody drunk, it's lit as fuck. Pour a cup, baby, show some love if you know what's up. You were bored, left out in the rain, why you bowing up? Cause we popping like a dart, hit us after blowing up. That's a balloon, why you saying all that? You talking too much, money talk, don't talk back. I've been grinding like a train on tracks. Used to go for broke, we had to change all that. Blood, sweat, and tears for years, that's big facts. The foundation, yeah, we laid all that. Stay up in your lane, never change, fall back. Got the top missing like the brains went splat. Whew. Man, it seemed like I like my top down, huh? I tell you, I'm addicted to moon roost, but I'm gonna need a convertible.
Dude, you're sounding awesome, dude.
I appreciate that, man, and that's really just a metaphor for, man, opening your mind up. People were like, what's that splat mean?
Dude, we really appreciate you being here, man.
No doubt.
Super dope, man. Cool, man. All right, let's do this, man.
Let's get it.
All right, here we go, guys.
I'm loving it, man. I'm feeling good. Let's get it.
Yeah, here we go, man.
Shout out to everybody on my Instagram live, man. Shout out to everybody on YouTube. Let's get this. Pimp C on the track. She put her
ass on the other and rub my wood.
She put her
ass on the other and rub my wood.
She put her
ass on the other
and rub my wood. See, we got models in Texas, so man, that body look good.
She put her ass on the other
and rub my wood. She put her
ass on the other
and rub my wood.
She put her
It's that
ass
down
on the
south
other
track.
and rub my
It's for all the
wood.
Texas,
We got
man.
models in Texas, so man, that body
Hey.
look good.
Make you get your cake up. Wake up chasing paper, ain't no way I take a pay cut. This one's for Texas. We got models with no makeup, popping bottles. You got a ball to make her lay up. That ass on the leather with the style and hips. That lacking automatic, but she found the stick. Another down south hit. The sound so lit. Tropical storm flooded. Look at the down south trip. Hey, look, I'm on my Chad B groove. Before I made a way, I had to make a move. I took the stairs like Rocky, I'm just confident, not cocky. Said she wanna fuck my car, I'm thinking, yeah, me too. She put her
ass on the other and rub my wood.
She put her
ass on the other and rub my wood.
She put her
ass on the other and rub my wood.
See, we got models in Texas, so man, that body look good.
So put her ass on the other
And rub my wood.
She put her ass on the other and rub my wood.
She put her
ass on the other and rub my wood. See, we got bottles in Texas, so man, that body look good.
It's the type of song that make you get your cake up. Wake up chasing paper, ain't no way I take a pay cut. This one's for Texas, we got models with no makeup, popping bottles. You got a ball to make her lay up. That ass on the leather with the style and hips. Sorry, they like an automatic, but she find a stick. Another down south hit. The sound so lit. Tropical storm flooded. Look at the down south drip. Hey, look, I'm on my Chad B groove. Before I made a way, I had to make a move. I took the stairs like Rocky, I'm just confident, not cocky. Said she wanna fuck my car, I'm thinking, yeah, me too. And I know I did that one twice, man, but I had to give that to y'all twice. And rub my wood, she put her
ass on the other
and rub my wood. See, we got models in Texas, so man, that body look good.
Put her ass on the other and rub my wood.
Hey, R&R, we heating this thing up.
And rub my wood. Put her ass on the other and rub my wood.
See, we got models in Texas, so hey, where we at? From G County to Houston, Dallas to Austin, Abilene, PA, Laredo, SA, everywhere in between. We keep it triple text rated. R.I.P. to Pimp, Screw and Pet, drop the top so gracious. Trunk knocked and it's blown, exotic pop in it boom. Anything you spotted, I just bought it. Ain't no financial loans, I got seeds in the streets. I've been sowing for 20, and it's about time I reap them, cause it owe me some money. Matter of fact, just keep it, I don't need it, don't want it. I did it all out of love, and it ain't no secret, I run it. Yeah, I'm hungry, but still I'm eating. Check the clothing, I got 1,000 on my body, customizing and glowing. She wanna know when I'm blowing up, this ain't no overnight. But we ain't gotta wait for Christmas, get it in on sight. Pulling up at the yoke, get it in on the mic. Then I hit the stage, set it ablaze while they dimming the light. She put her ass on the liquor and rub my wood. She put her ass on the liquor and rub my wood. She put her ass on the liquor and rub the wood. See, we got models in Texas, so man, that body look good. She put her ass on the liquor and rub my wood. She put her ass on the liquor and rub my wood. She put her ass on the liquor and rub my wood. See, we got models in Texas, so man, that body look good. Hey, R.I.P. the late great Pimp C, man. We had that sample cleared. Hey, that's a track right there. So that's Marcus Money featuring Pimp C. It's called On the Leather. You can also catch that on my newest album, just dropped, Who Am I?
Awesome, dude. Well, you sound excellent, guys. You sound excellent, dude. You ready to do this?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, dude. Here you
Yes,
go.
sir.
Get paid.
Oh, hey, I'm the Energizer Bunny on this one. Let's get it.
All right,
Let's get
dog.
it.
Here you go.
Hey, shout out Chucky the Killer on this track. He couldn't make it to the studio, but we're gonna run half of it at least. This one's called Get Paid. Pardon my Metallica. I've been on the grind every day, and I'm loving the feeling. And I know what? And I don't give a fuck what they say. I'm just a boss, how I'm living. What else? Got no time to be told what I'm gon' do. No control, I fly free. Hold my own, you can't go what I go through. All I really know is get paid. Everything else ain't appealing. Whipping up another rap like a batch in the kitchen. Except now I'm in the lab, heard it still itching. No crooked eye Pyrex, now I just whip lyrics, but I still got them hooked, no fishing. Just hooked up with Chucky the Killer. South Park, H-Town, we watching the build up. Friends turn fake, but fucking I'm still up. Lot of deals fell short, but fucking it's still up. No time for hate, I grind for mine. Time to shine, that's bottom line, cause I'm the one that took his time. Cross the bridge, cross the line, cross the T's and dot the I's. Cross the C's with RCDs, and all we need is RPGs to stop the beef. Probably be a lottery if we was pop top for the Drake and Cardi B. Call us Keith, got him sweating, never letting up, and been applying pressure. Get the keys, got him begging, heaven knows I'ma get it, then I stretch it. Au revoir, call a medic, doc, we got a problem, need an anesthetic. Call my dogs, I'ma throw them all a bone and watch them smile as they fetch it. Life is unapologetic, never stopped me, couldn't let it. Got an army, need a general, gave it all and don't forget it. Take the shot and don't regret it. Grab the mic and then I wreck it. They try to crop me out the frame, but I was real without an edit. I don't grind every day, and I'm loving the feeling. And I don't give a fuck what they say, I'm just a boss, how I'm living. Got no time to be told what I'm gon' do, no control, I fly free. Hold my own, you can't go what I go through. All I really know is get paid, everything else ain't appealing. Time to get paid, time to get paid. I've been on the grind every day, and I'm loving the feeling. And I don't give a fuck what they say, I'm just a boss, how I'm living. Got no time to be told what I'm gon' do, no control, I fly free. Hold my own, you can't go what I go through. All I really know is get paid, everything else ain't appealing. Already. Man, that's that breakout track right there.
Dude,
That's that I don't get no overtime this week track.
Bro,
You know what I mean?
that was awesome, bro. That verse, bro. I was like, what? Sounds good, man. You got Amanda A. She's loving it. Ken Breeze.
Already. Ken Breeze, what's up, baby?
Yeah,
hey,
man.
Amanda, appreciate you joining in. Let's get this.
Kevin Hamlin says hi. Tori Perkins, Diego, Jesus Ortiz. Shout out to Marcus Simpson,
All
Marcus
right.
Money. They were ready for you. Yeah, bro, that's Diego from King Baby Familia. Tori Perkins, sounds good. A bunch of people are watching. Give a shout out to everybody. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, let's get this, man. I appreciate all y'all tuning in, for real, for real. I'm glad I could bring y'all something that y'all don't got to pay for, not even gas, man. Hey, shout out to Roger Ramirez, though, for putting this thing on, man.
Oh, man, we appreciate all the love, man. We appreciate all the artists that we have here, man. You ready to do this?
No doubt. Let's grab it.
All right, here we go.
Hey, this one's called Escort Services. It's a real, real personal song. Y'all just gonna have to fill in the blanks on this one. I had to chop it up like this though. S, court services, court services, court service on them. S, court services, court servicing, court service. S, court services, court services, court service on them. S, court services. I did this for anybody who needs to relate to it. She ain't down with no courtship, she just want a portion. She harder than porcelain, she just want a Porsche whip, only for the right price. Laces on a corset, anything for the fortune. Leave your feelings on the doorstep, leave your money on the dresser. You just fed her and dressed her. Use a lane with that headache, and she gon' be your Excedrin. Pimp C done raised her. Kirko serenaded her. Got 2 phones like Kevin Gates. Them private texts on the cellular for private sex. Can't blame her. Stays high on the regular. Got daddy issues, so she call you that, and she'll never watch your behavior. Need a savior. Hell no, you can't save her. Different breed, different flavor, but you know you can't tame her. Just pay for them. S, court services, court services, court service on them. S, court services, court services. Lightning strikes and the thunder sounds. It's raining, curtains closed and the shutters down. Feeling X-rated, pretty penny for another round. I ain't called a girl lately. Came up from the underground, but I swear that pussy so mainstream. Type to make you go crazy. She just wanna get faded. That's my take it off, baby, and she gon' take it off daily. Every party she's A-list, and she won't die, she's ageless. Michael Kors or Dior, 4 in the morning, I'm anxious. So wet, she got me waiting. We on the water, I'm seasick. My drama means she eased me and she pleased me, and I mean that. You can take it or leave it. Easy come and easy go, but soon enough you might need it. Like history and repeat it. Them S, court services, court services, court service. Y'all put 2 + 2 together on that one. Court services, court servicing, court service. S, drag it out. Court services, court services, court service on them. S, court services, court services, court services. Yes, court services. MS court services. Don't want them MS court services. Hey, that was a personal joint. Nobody ain't got nothing to say now.
Sean Lewis, pimp.
Hey,
Yeah,
appreciate
man.
that. Hey, we go back, Sean Lewis.
We got some good friends. Curtis Skelton watching, Liliana Michelle watching, Bosbu, Tayres. We got Eduardo watching. Nate, thank you guys for watching all social media. Yeah, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to look up Marcus Money.
Y'all hit that subscribe button on this thing, y'all.
Thank you. Please subscribe if you like what you're hearing. By the way, dude, I forgot to ask you, where can we get some swag, Marcus Money sweaters, man, some
With
shirts.
These right here, I'm selling straight person to person right now. The eating, we can get anywhere. Y'all just get at me in my DM for right now. And we're about to put them on the website in a couple months. Hopefully have everything, the full arsenal. Yeah, these Marcus Money hoodies are $40. I appreciate the plug, but
Yeah,
y'all
of
just
course.
get at me, DM, and we'll find a spot to meet you, man. I'm not too Hollywood to meet you at your house.
Awesome, guys. Well, thank you for watching. You ready for this, man?
Yeah, let's get it.
Let it ride.
Let it ride.
Marcus Money. Here we go, guys. Enjoy.
So as y'all can tell, I might have been through some Some of y'all been through some too. So look, you gotta let that go sometimes, man. It's bad for you to keep on holding on to that, man. We gotta move on, get past that. So for everybody who been through something, this was called Let It Ride. A lot of things been on my mind while I've been out there on the grind, wondering how some large amount of time maybe I had something to prove with all them packages I done moved. When I first started with dimes and nicks way back in '02, I was young and dumb with a dream to make $1 million off the block. I was even dumb enough to think I could keep my partners off a lock. My homie Wicked got popped by the cops while I was staying at his mama's house. Had me living that street life, one deep, waiting for him to get out. That was back in '07. Fast forward to 2010, I hit the trap jumping like hopscotch, and now I'm watching out for the pen. Pimpin' bring a little dough, but it just wasn't enough. Then my girl cheated with all my boys, and I felt like giving up. Why them life always so rough? All the nights I was on my knees, asking God lift me up. With a prayer I'm asking please, this one's to all my G's. To the ones who didn't make it, and the ones who kept it real and never faked it. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Just let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Just let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Tell you, let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Just let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Some days are harder than others ever since my grandmother passed. Flew out to Cali to visit, didn't know it would be the last. I still think about you and all the things that day that you told me. The one thing that sticks out the most, learn to let a woman hold me. Just let it ride, let it ride. Don't worry if she scolds me, let it ride, let it ride. That woman is your homie, let it ride, let it ride. So I worried what you told me, just let it ride, let it ride. She's the one who truly knows me. Hold up, well I guess you're proud of me. Got a woman so down for me, and I don't push her away, I keep her around her G. And if she ever leaves, I'll know it was me, cause that's what my G lady told me. See, every time I wanna break down, I think about all the suffering we've been dealing with night after night, yeah. And every problem we've been facing, we can take it, make it into something that'll be alright. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Just let it go. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Don't hold on to it. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. And let it ride, 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 let it ride. Just let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let go of that pain. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Just let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Now do the same. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. You gotta let go of that, man, so you can get some of the good things coming in. Hey, that's how we're gonna leave it though, man. You gotta let go of some of that baggage so that you can have some of them good blessings come in your life.
Dude, awesome music, bro. Over here swinging.
I appreciate
Left
that,
and right,
man.
man.
It's supposed to direct you to a greater finish line, man.
Awesome, dude. Well, you got a shout out from Cassandra Mares. She says, okay, I see you, Marcus Money.
I appreciate that, Cassandra.
Ken Breezy again. Shout out to Down South Nate.
Already Down South Nate's over here in the studio. He's working the gram live.
Awesome, awesome. It was a pleasure to have you here, guys. Sean Lewis, that's my boy spitting them peas again. We got Nick Reckless is watching on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching.
Already Reckless, man. Long time. What's up?
All right, man. You ready for this?
Hey, let's go. We got one more.
This is the last one, guys.
Cool.
All right, guys. It's been a pleasure to have you here, man, by the way.
I appreciate that, man.
All right, man. Let's do this. Here we go.
So this one's about where I'm from, y'all. From the seawall to the skyline. You know what I'm talking about? G County, H-Town, everywhere in between. From the seawall to the skyline. From the seawall to the skyline, Texas. Well, we on one and we all drive reckless. On I-10 with the roof back flexing. Fully gassed up in it, ain't no one let it. From the seawall to the skyline, them high rises back to the island. H-Town of G County, about finally time that we reunited. I'm done. Hey, now you know where I'm from. Where's that? Let me tell you. I'm from the place they brawl up out the gates and fall up on their face to ball and catch a case. They all in the wind, they walk a thin line. I'm on it, my grind is strong, cause I used to crawl, now I run. Trying to give me something. Hold up. Them 2000s, I was smiling on the island on Blue Dolphins before Molly, sipping Actavis, RXs with no coffin. Mommy was a stripper and my daddy took them losses. I was 7 at Heartbreakers in the strip club, feeling awesome. Now I'm bossing, living like a movie. Many try to floss me, many try to do me. Living like Jefferson, turn a negative to a positive. Moving on up. Get it how you gotta get it, but you get it how you live. And it is what it is. Square biz. From the seawall to the skyline, Texas. H-Town of G, where we on one and we all drive reckless. From I-10 with the roof back flexing. Fully gassed up in it, ain't no one let it. Yeah, I said it. From the seawall to the skyline, Texas, where we on one and we all drive reckless. On I-10 with the roof back flexing. Fully gassed up in it, ain't no one let it. OG. Hey, shout out Young Snipe. He's the other cat supposed to be on that track with me. Shout out all of Dickinson, man. Everybody I grew up with. Shout out G County, man. Shout out all of the H. Shout out R&R Studios, man, putting this thing on, man. It ain't no big bang boom in, but that's what we got. I appreciate all y'all tuning in on YouTube. Appreciate all y'all on Facebook. Everybody, man. Everybody around the world, man. I appreciate y'all.
Well, dude, man, it's a pleasure to have you here today. You're awesome. You definitely bring that original music. Yeah, you have a very nice voice, man. You were right when we were talking about your voice. Your voice lives in that frequency that you were talking about, that like mid-range right there. Man, it's pleasing to the ear, man. It's pleasing to the ear. We'll really appreciate you being here, man. And thank you for sharing your Sunday with us. You know.
No doubt, man. I wouldn't be nowhere else.
Well, thank you, guys. All right, guys. If you're watching on YouTube and Facebook, please subscribe. Give us a like. Look for Marcus Money. Look for him online. Look for his music. Support him. Give him shout-outs. We are supporting the local music here in Houston. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up or whatever. You know, look for R&R Studio. And I believe we have had another very successful stream, man. Again, thank you for being here, man.
Love it.
All right, guys. So hopefully it's not the last time that you're here. And thank you very much for everybody watching. Shout out to King Baby. Thank you very much, guys. Y'all have a great day and enjoy your Sunday. See y'all tomorrow for our next band.